Today I'm going to show you how you can make homemade ketchup so delicious that you'll never go back to the store-bought kind. Hi, I'm Sune and I'm a food geek. Today we'll have a look at how you can make the most delicious homemade ketchup that'll tick off all the boxes. 1. Lots of tomato taste. 2. Good amount of acidity. 3. Sweetness that balances that acidity. And 4. A great flow that you'd expect from a ketchup. First slow and then fast. To get a great flow, we'll need a specialty ingredient called Xanthan gum. I've left a link in the description. Heads up, that's an affiliate link, so if you buy it, I will get a little bit of money. In this recipe, there's also MSG, which I know is a controversial ingredient. If you don't feel safe using it or just don't want to, you can totally omit it. It just won't taste as good. All right, so let's get started with the recipe. It'll only take a few minutes, so let's do it. The written recipe, the amounts, and the ingredients are linked in the description. Put everything in the blender except the glucose syrup and the xanthan gum. Here you see me forgetting to put in the vinegar, but you should absolutely add that before you start blending. As you can tell, it really won't blend without the liquid. And then I added some vinegar, and as you can tell, it worked a lot better. Adding liquid is really the secret of successful blending. After that's been combined, we just add the syrup slowly while the blender's running. Just keep the blender running until everything's completely mixed in. If you can't get glucose syrup where you live, you can absolutely substitute it. If you're in the US, you can use corn syrup. If you're in the UK, you can use golden syrup. Generally, it's just be a light syrup. The only mildly difficult thing is to put in the xanthan gum. You should put it in little by little while the machine is running so it doesn't clump up. Try and hit the middle of the vortex. Cool word for a recipe, huh? If it does clump up, there's no going back, so please be careful. Just let the machine keep running for a bit so that you're certain that everything is completely and evenly distributed. That's it. We're done. All that's left is to pour it into a suitable container, seal it, and spend some time coming up with dishes that you need to put ketchup on. Store it in the fridge. It's good for at least 14 days. That's all there is to it, except maybe pour it on some hot dogs and relish in the deliciousness. Relish. Get it. I'll show myself out. But before I do that, let me show you how you can use this delicious ketchup. Thank you for watching. This is my first YouTube video, so let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you'd like me to do on here. I'll be putting out videos on a regular basis. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos I put out. See you next time.